Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is about how to download and install Remix OS in your low-end PC. So let's start the video. Guys, this is an Android operating system for low-end PC. In this operating system we can play any Android games, like Call of Duty Mobile, Free Fire, etc. If you are interested in technical content, please like this video, and also subscribe my channel for watching my new videos. First we need to download the ISO file of the Remix OS. For that, open any web browser and type Remix OS download. Then select the bits of your processor. In my case, my processor is x64-bit. Okay, your downloading begins. After downloading, open the file location where you downloaded the ISO file. Then extract the ISO image using WinRAR or WinZip. After the extraction, open the file. Then open the Remix OS installation tool. Through this software we can easily install Remix OS. Okay, time to install. Select the ISO image from the extracted file. Then select the drive you want to install it. Then select the data storage size. In my opinion, select 32 GB. Okay, your installation became stars. In installation it only takes 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, then time to restart your computer. After restarting your computer, we get multiboot function of Windows and Remix OS, and then select Remix OS. We need to configure it. This is very simple method. Our Remix OS is successfully installed. Then select your language. Then agree the user agreement. That's for today guys, thank you for watching.